Your body screams. Your dog hears it from 1.2 meters away, like an invisible alarm signaling your fear before you even feel it. This is your dog, processing chemical signals from you like a tiny, furry biohazard detector. The domestic dog, Canis familiaris, possesses an olfactory system that's essentially a biological superscanner, evolved precisely for this purpose. While humans have about 6 million olfactory receptors, your dog boasts an astonishing 220 million. That's over 36 times more, letting them decipher scent messages totally invisible to us. For decades, scientists at the University of Naples Federico II have been unraveling this mystery, noting significant changes in canine heart rate and behavior patterns when exposed to human distress. This isn't magic, it's profound biology. Dogs process these invisible human fear signals up to 2 minutes after they're released, with a sense of smell 10,000 to 100,000 times more acute than ours. Imagine this: they can detect the equivalent of a single drop of fear in a volume of water as large as 500 bathtubs. Yes, that's a real number. This hypersensitivity means they respond to your physiological state before you're even consciously aware of your own anxiety. Their response isn't just curiosity, it's a hardwired instinct to protect their human companion from perceived danger. Dogs dedicate a whopping 40% of their brain to processing smells, a stark contrast to the mere 5% we humans allocate. This is their true superpower, refined over 15,000 years of coevolution. Their vomeronasal organ, a dedicated sensory organ, detects specific hormonal changes, sending a direct neural signal for immediate response. That invisible alarm isn't a sound, a complex chemical whisper released by our bodies under stress. Humans, when stressed, don't just sweat. They emit a cocktail of over 50 different volatile organic compounds. And get this, dogs can detect specific fear-linked VOCs with an accuracy rate exceeding 80%. Imagine your terror as a signature, a distinct blend of fatty acids. These unique VOCs include specific aldehydes and ketones, directly linked to neural stress responses in humans. When you're frightened, your skin temperature can even drop by 1 degree Celsius, subtly altering sweat evaporation. So, in a crowded room, your dog tunes into your specific stress signature, completely ignoring everyone else's normal metabolic output. This olfactory superpower is thanks to an epithelium spanning 130 square centimeters, a surface area 30 times larger than ours. Scent molecules are shunted through complex nasal turbinates, increasing detection potential by over 30 times. A fearful human? That can trigger a sniffing rate increase of 200% in your canine companion. It's like having a built-in organic biosensor, able to sniff out distress from a full 1.2 meters away. Your anxious breath contains minute traces of isoprene, a fear biomarker. This sensitivity isn't just for parlor tricks. These highly sensitive canines are deployed in disaster zones, locating trapped survivors by scent alone. Scientists are still trying to fully map this incredible biological radar. What other hidden messages are we broadcasting without realizing it? Next, we explore how a creature can see through solid rock. A dog's sense of smell is up to 100,000 times more acute than a human's, thanks to over 300 million olfactory receptors. That number is frankly absurd. To truly understand this remarkable ability, we must journey into the dog's most extraordinary organ, its nose. Inside, the air you inhale splits. To enter the canine nasal cavity, air is separated. One stream for respiration, another dedicated solely to scent analysis, never mixing functions. Each nostril works independently, creating stereoscopic scent mapping, pinpointing a source in just 1.5 seconds. It's like a biological GPS, but for smells. And then there's the vomeronasal organ, or Jacobson's organ, which detects non-volatile compounds, like pheromones, that we can't even perceive. These direct neural signals bypass conscious processing, triggering instinctual behaviors immediately. Evolution clearly had fun with dogs. While humans are stuck with 5 basic tastes, dogs interpret a complex symphony of thousands of distinct molecular signatures. Their specialized gene family for olfactory receptors, numbering over 1,000 genes, dwarfs the mere 400 found in humans. From Arctic tundras to urban jungles, dogs adapt, using their superior olfaction for hunting, navigation, and complex social communication. Their olfactory bulb makes up 2% of their brain volume, compared to a human's paltry 0.03%. Canine turbinates, intricate bony scrolls, create over 200 square centimeters of olfactory epithelium for scent detection. And they are constantly working. 5 separate scent analyses every single second. You can barely eat your cereal that fast. While you take 16 breaths per minute, a dog can perform 30 sniffing movements during one breath. That's not just sniffing, that's dedicated science. Specialized cells produce a mucus layer 10 times thicker than ours, trapping odor molecules for deeper analysis. This isn't just empathy. It's a superpower, detecting fear from 1.2 meters away. Early humans offered food, while nascent dogs provided alarm calls, boosting human survival rates by 10% over non-dog groups. The ability to sense fear protected early humans from hidden threats, reducing their predation risk by an estimated 15%. Your primal security detail evolved. Dogs reacting to human fear signals likely led to selective breeding. Calmer, more attuned canids gained favor and protection. A clear win-win. Detecting fear is like a built-in psychological radar. In a dense forest, this radar detected predators before humans could even see them, often moving before you'd blink. This deep understanding of human emotion solidified their place in communities. Dogs now receive 1.5 times more affection than your average cat. Absurd, right? The average domestic dog spends around 60% of its waking hours observing human behavior. Yes, that's a real number. Your gym routine is shaking. Fear detection now informs service dog training, allowing them to anticipate panic attacks or medical emergencies with remarkable accuracy. If you think you're good at hiding your feelings, a dog reads your stress hormones like an open book. There is no poker face for them. This chemical dialogue is a testament to natural selection, honed over 15,000 generations. Dogs react to subtle human emotional changes within 0.5 seconds, faster than your conscious thought. Researchers at the University of Bari demonstrated dogs show 25% more fear-related behaviors when observing anxious humans. Scientists are still deciphering this. From protecting livestock in rural areas to sensing danger in urban homes, their fear-detecting ability ensures ongoing value across diverse environments. The knowledge that our dogs can sense our most primal emotions from over a meter away transforms our understanding of their companionship. Did you know your dog can smell fear from 1.2 meters? That's over 4 feet. Enough time for a cat to stage a dramatic escape. Researchers have found that dogs can detect chemical signals, specifically volatile organic compounds released during stress, up to 40% more effectively than we previously understood. This ability isn't just about smelling something acrid. It's about reading a complex cocktail of distress signals. In fact, they process these fear cues in the same part of their brain that humans use for social cognition, their temporal lobe. It's how dogs show greater attachment to owners, with consistent emotional expression. 80% of dogs demonstrate this preference in behavioral tests. This profound empathy strengthens their therapeutic role. Animal-assisted therapy has been shown to reduce patient anxiety by 40%. Dogs understand distress signals better than most human toddlers. Yes, 3 of every 20 pet owners experience reduced cardiovascular disease risk, thanks to their furry friends. In moments of panic, their calming effect reduces human cortisol levels by 20%. This emotional intelligence has an ancient lineage. Ancient Roman texts describe dogs as guardians of both home and heart. Modern service dogs exemplify this, trained to interrupt self-harming behaviors with 90% accuracy. Studies indicate that interaction with dogs can decrease feelings of loneliness by 30%. Dogs will often initiate contact within 5 seconds of owner distress. This bond, spanning 15,000 years, is nearly double our coexistence with domesticated cats, Dr. Stanley Coren noted. Dogs are among the few species that look to humans for affection and understanding.